can see my friends are coming, riding a mini mile. Trying to get some silver, got a little gold. What did you bring me, my dear friends, to keep me from the gallows pole? What did you bring me to keep me from the gallows pole? I couldn't get no silver, couldn't get no gold. Oh no, the way they took the ball to keep you from the gallows pole. Hangman, hangman, hold it a little while. I think I see my brothers coming, riding a many mile. Run, get some silver, get a little gold. How did you bring me, my dear friends, to keep me from the gallows pole? I brought some silver, brought a little gold, brought a little of everything to keep you from the gallows pole. Yeah, I brought you to keep you from the gallows pole. Hangman, hangman, hold your yellow wine. I think I see my sister coming, riding a many mile, 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 mile. Sister, I implore you, take me by the hand, take him to some shady paths and set him on the dock of this man. Please take him and set him on the dock of this man. Hangman, hangman, on your face a smile. Tell me that I'm free to ride, ride a many mile, 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 mile. Oh, you gotta buy a sister, while my soul is born. Gotta inside the boiling her to keep you from the gallows pole. Run some silver, for now I laugh so hard she's singing on the gallows pole. For now I laugh so hard she's singing on the gallows